Right guys, so let me just show you what's happened here. So you hear a buzzing noise. I've traced it and it's the heater box underneath this here, and it's just right. That's it there. So that's what's causing that noise, as you can see. We already had bought the current heater module, and we have changed it. It is a ball ache, guys. I'm not gonna lie, this is not gonna help you, so you're gonna have to strip all this. I have put it back together. Sorry, I didn't do the video in time. You've certainly got to remove all this. Just make sure you don't damage it. There's a few screws, and then as you saw, it is just there. That's it there. I forgot to put that screw back. I'll put it back, but it's all done. So if we turn the ignition on, as you can see, the heating's on. Everything's fine. There is no more noise. But yeah, the reason I did this was to trace and see where it was. There wasn't any videos online for me to actually track and trace where it was, but now we know. So you don't need to do all this. The center console area you will do, and there, but not all this.